Well, it's wonderful to be seeing so many smiling faces around here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host Sonali Gupta, and it is always an honor and a pleasure for me to be back here with the VLCC family, welcoming each one of you to this absolutely glorious occasion. Well, it's an honor for us once again today to be welcoming all of you to the 14th annual convocation ceremony of the VLCC Institute of Beauty and Nutrition. I'm sure that everyone here is absolutely delighted as well. Well, today happens to be a day of double celebration because today happens to be coinciding with the group's Founders Day. So let's have a big round of applause. Sab logon ke liye, VLCC family ke liye aur apne liye for achieving so much. And this day is definitely made very, very special for each one of us by the presence of our distinguished guests. Well, we are delighted that we have amongst us some of the very renowned names from, of course, we have from the Parliament, from Ministry, a very special guest from various departments here amongst us, and we would like to welcome them here today. To begin with, we would like to welcome amongst us the Managing Director and CEO, National Skill Development Corporation, Mr. Dilip Chanoy. We also have amongst us here today the Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri Kiran Rijiju, who will be joining us later today as the guest of honor. We will also have joining us today Shri Manoj Tiwari ji, a noted actor and a member of Parliament. We have amongst us as of now a very noted personality, he needs no introduction, the Chairman and Editor-in-Chief of India TV, Mr. Rajat Sharma. Welcome, sir. About him and to introduce him and to welcome him on stage.
Just 1 minute,
Vipanjit Kaur, Rosie,
VLCC की चेयरपर्सन वंदना, जिन्होंने अपनी लगन से, अपनी मेहनत से, अपने हार्डवर्क से एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन खड़ा किया जिस पर हम सबको गर्व है। मेरे दोस्त मुकेश लूथरा जी, जिन्होंने अपने विजन से VLCC को एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाया। सपना वो जिसे पूरा करने के लिए आपको रात भर नींद नहीं आती। जैसे वंदना लूथरा ने रात रात भर नींद नहीं आई अपने सपने पूरे करने के लिए, वैसे ही आप सब लोग वो सपने देखना जिनके लिए आप दिन भर मेहनत करो और आपको
token of our appreciation of our love. Year after year, you're always a part of the VLCC convocation ceremony. We cannot imagine this day going by without your presence. So thank you so much for always making it very, very special for us. And now, sir, please stay back. We can't let you go. We just don't want you to leave. Alright, may I request Mrs. Vandana Luthra ma'am to please join us on the stage. I think अब वक्त आ चुका है जिसका हम सभी को बेसब्री से इंतजार था. We've come here for that reason. This is a day we all look forward to, a day we all dream of, when we complete our course and we are granted our certificates of completion of the courses of our graduation. A day when our dreams are turned into reality. So it's time for all the lovely students to come up on stage and take away their certificates. To tell you more and take you through the convocation ceremony, I would like to welcome on stage a very, very pretty girl from the VLCC family, Deepti Verma. Deepti, may I request you to please join me on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause, because this is a very, very special story of a lady from history. The only recorded story of more than 7,000 women who jumped into the fire against the honor, just to preserve the honor and valor, against the wrath of Alauddin Khilji. A story of the valor, the honor and the pride of the history of Indian women, ladies and The story of Jodha, the wife of Akbar, the mother of Jahangir and the grandmother of Muhammad Shah Jahan, considered an astute businesswoman, ladies and gentlemen, 600 years ago. Kalpana Chawla, a lady from a small village in Haryana, ladies and gentlemen, and Sunita Williams, considered to be the finest astronauts ever born.
ख्वाबों के आसमां में ख्वाहिशों का डेरा है, सितारों के पार कहीं एक सितारा मेरा है, एक सितारा मेरा है.
What kind of return time does this maneuver take?
The story now moves to the corporate ladies. Yes, the lady of Indian origin, Indira Nooyi, Chanda Kochhar, and of course Kiran Majumdar show.
You are beautiful, like a dream come alive, incredible, a centerfold miracle, lyrical. You saved my life again, and I want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep it beep, 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 beep. I love you like a love song, baby.
From the corporate honchos to the lady in sports, Bachendri Pal, the first woman in the world to scale Mount Everest. Now, the sports icons of today: Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal, and Sania Mirza. Check them out. Yeah, Mary, we love you. Saina Nehwal, world #1. And Sania Mirza is in the finals of Wimbledon. Give her a big round of applause. Sania Mirza is going to play the finals tonight at the Wimbledon in mixed doubles.
क्यों डरता है दिल, प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल। प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
With your hands up in the air. Bollywood at your best. Hands up. Entertainment Bollywood in style. Check it out. Hands up in the air. Check it out. Madam Vandana Luthra, this sequence, this presentation was especially dedicated to you and your birthday for making us, all of us, so beautiful. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, all of them you see on stage are your colleagues from the Institute, VLCC Institute. Give them a big round of applause. From Pallab Bose, this is a salutation to Indian women down the era who has made all of us what we are today.
जिनके दीवाने तुम भी तो हो, हंसती गाती लड़कियाँ, खिलाती लड़कियाँ, चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो। इन सब के जवानी, इनकी धड़कन, इनसे सपने क्या, मेरी आँखों में दिल में है क्या feels like this rain. Feels like
सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, ये छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा। लहकेगी, जीवन की बगिया महकेगी, लहकेगी, चहकेगी, खुशियों की कलियां झूमेंगी, झूलेंगी, झूलेंगी, जीवन की बगिया। जन्मों के साथ
I think they deserve a very big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All of them are students of VLCC Institute. A very humble journey, a presentation of love, dedicated to every woman in the universe. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, VLCC Institute. जी हाँ, हम साथ साथ हैं।
बाबुल प्यारे सजन सखारे सुनो मेरी मैया, बोझ नहीं मैं किसी के सर का, ना मझधार में नैया, पतवार बनूंगी, लहरों से लड़ूंगी, हर मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया, ओ हर मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया। कल बाबा की उंगली को थामे चली थी, कल बाबा की लाठी भी बन जाऊंगी, अम्मा तेरे घरों देखी चिड़िया हूँ मैं, दाना लेकर ही वापस घर आऊँ, हर मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया। दिल से दिल के तार तो छुड़े नहीं, तो रस्मों पे दौलत ये काहे बहे, हम तो प्यार की ख्वाहिश में रिश्ते बुने, और रिश्तों में लालच हम काहे सहे, क्या शादी के आगे जिंदगी नहीं, जो शादी हिसाबों की केवल है वही, ऐसी शादी की मुझको जरूरत नहीं, ना कहने का सुन लो मुहूर्त यही, सुबह से खिलूंगी, रतिया से भरूंगी।
Let's have a bigger round of applause. Come on. Ma'am, you look so gorgeous year after year. It's amazing.
Honorable Minister, Mr. I. Himo Chandra Singh ji, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief, India TV, Shri Rajat Sharma ji, CEO of NSDC, Mr. Atul Bhatnagar ji, distinguished guests, graduating students of the VLCC Institute, my lovely children here, I welcome you all. God bless you and congratulations. It's a great day for all of you. आप लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत करी है और आज आपको उस मेहनत की वसूली मिली है. So I think you all must be very happy. So are you happy? Yes. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 14th annual convocation ceremony of the VLCC Institute of Beauty and Nutrition. I would like to take the opportunity to congratulate all the students from the different VLCC institutes spread across various parts of India who would be receiving their diplomas and certificates from our honored guests this afternoon. I am confident that the training you have received at VLCC, coupled with your hard work and zeal to succeed, am I right? Yes. Would help you shine in your chosen careers, be it as employees or entrepreneurs in your own right. मुझे आप लोगों को देख के अपने पुराने दिन याद आ रहे हैं। पता नहीं कितने साल हो गए जब मुझे भी डिप्लोमा मिला था। बेगम अबीदा अहमद से, हमारी फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट की वाइफ थी, श्री फ़खरुद्दीन अली अहमद। मेरे लिए वो बहुत गर्व की बात थी और मैं चुपचाप बैठी थी, सोच रही थी डिप्लोमा तो मिल गया पर मैं अब आगे करूँगी क्या? घर में रोटी बनाऊँगी, सब्ज़ी बनाऊँगी, क्या करूँगी? शादी करूँगी, क्या करूँगी? क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था उस डिप्लोमा को लेके मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, क्योंकि उस वक़्त ना VLCC था, ना कोई इंस्टीट्यूट था। बाहर से तालीम मुझे मिली थी, मैंने इनिशियल ट्रेनिंग हेल्थ एंड ब्यूटी इंडिया में ली, फिर बाहर विदेश गई, पर मेरे पास कोई जॉब नहीं थी। मैं सोचती थी अब मुझे कामयाबी कैसे मिलेगी, मेरे हाथ में मुझे पैसा कब दिखेगा। मगर ईश्वर ने सुन ली, उस ईश्वर ने सुन ली जिसको मैंने कभी देखा नहीं था, पर किसी ने तो मेरी मदद करी। और दूसरे ही दिन मेरे सेंटर में लक्ष्मी आई, पता नहीं कहाँ से आई, और मेरे हाथ में कुछ पैसे दे दी। वो पैसे देख के मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मैं तो एंटरप्रेन्योर बन गई। वो मेरी पहली कमाई थी 4000 रुपये की, जो मैंने एक पैकेज बुक किया था। उसके बाद कभी पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा, मेहनत करी, और आज वो छोटा सा सेंटर जो एक बेसमेंट से निखरा था, वो 300 सेंटर बन गए। और वी आर वर्किंग आउट ऑफ 18 countries and today VLCC is a global brand. VLCC is a global brand with 68 institutes and with beautiful students like you, and we are a workforce of 6,000 dynamic people who have energy, who have passion, and who are entrepreneurs in their own right. So 3 cheers to the lovely VLCC team, and I salute to them. For us at VLCC, the 68 VLCC institutes which today form the